Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have something very special for you, and I also have a special guest. You want to say hi? Today is special. Oh. Yeah? Really?
Hello?
Today is special because this is going to be my first collab with my sweet friend MidnightPlum. And basically we send each other like craft kit boxes, and we try to figure out what to make with whatever we bought for each other. So I have no idea what she got me. She has no idea what I got her. And I guess you could also say it's gonna be my first unboxing video too. So before I even open this box, I want to show you a clip of what I more or less got her. Not everything is shown, so you would have to go see her video if you're curious of all the things that I end up getting her. Doing a vlog for the first time and I don't know what to get. I'll think of something. Alright, I changed stores, but oh my god, there's so many things to choose from. I'm definitely getting buttons. Yes. Yes. Yeah, let's just get a whole bunch. Why not? Why not? Gotta head back home now, but I think I got everything I needed. Okay, ready to ship. There. Do you think I overdid it? Nah, it's fine. Well, now that that's out of the way, it's time to do our unboxing. And with the power of editing, helped you guys not go through that torturous unboxing. Now let's see what we got here, since my helper is very eager. Aw, got a little thank you note. What else did we get, bud? And of course, video decided to stop recording. But my little helper has noticed that I got sparkly thread, which I've never worked with before, so I'm curious of what project to do with that. A whole pack of embroidery floss, or what's the proper term? Mini yarns, I guess. I'd probably just use this for embroidery. But, ooh, very nice colors. Got black, browns, very cute. Oh, cute sparkly socks. Look at that. What's that, bud? Is that more thread? Oh, I love thread. Look at that, of every color. Wonderful. Oh, it even comes with cute little scissors, extra buttons, some safety pins. Actually, those will come in handy when I want to turn over some thinner projects. You like that, bud? Ooh, even more sparkly socks. Look at these. Well, I definitely know what project to do. I've never seen sparkly fuzzy socks. These are so cute. What else is in there, bud? Ooh, what's that? Let me see. Can I show everyone what it is? Before you pull it apart? Oh, it's sequins. Ooh, that's pretty. Don't take it apart, baby. I haven't used it yet. I'm gonna make a plush out of all this stuff. Or at least most of it. What else? Oh, it's like a lacy kind of ribbon. Oh, this is gonna be fun to add to a few projects. Very cute. Crochet lace? Yeah, crochet lace. Very nice. Ooh! Oh my goodness. Okay, this is right now my absolute favorite. Bells of all colors. And a good swatch of fabric. That's wonderful. Can never have too much. Oh, and what is this? What is this? Wooden buttons! Oh my god, they're so cute! I've never had wooden buttons. These are cute! Oh my goodness, I'm gonna have fun figuring out what to make. Is that everything in the box? Yep. So we could get that out of the way. You gonna share with the rest of us what that is, bud? Ooh, burlap fabric. Oh, you already tried opening it, bud. Fabric sheet. Very nice. Make a cute little pouch or something with that. I'll figure out something. Baby, your bottle. It's all over the place. You really like that sequence, huh, bud? Let me see it. These are all the wonderful things that came in MidnightPlum's craft kit, and I already have so many ideas going through my head of what to make. So let's see what I come up with.